So I'm Chris Moehle. I'm the managing director of the Robotics Hub. We're a Pittsburgh-based venture capital fund that partners with and invests in what we think are the most promising industry-defining robotics companies we can find. I think the fun part about that, it's not just kind of me ad-libbing. I mean, if you look at both the London School of Economics and several U.S. economic institutes, over the last 140 years, at no point has an increase in automation ever decreased net employment. In recent years, they've actually been measuring that the implementation of robots and stuff like manufacturing, logistics, et cetera, corresponds to roughly a 40% gain in human jobs in the same field. And just like, the cotton gin didn't starve society to death, neither were the next generations of robots. The fun part about the human experience is that we keep growing. The level of tasks isn't infinite. And, when you kind of buy into the assumption that the things we have to do keep growing as we keep growing as a civilization, then automation is necessary for us to actually continue to progress. And from that perspective, automation's best when it works hand in hand with us. If you're not doing that, I think you're actually blunting the impact of what you're doing. And as a result, less economically competitive. So oddly enough, economics actually work in favor of human-robot interaction, which is kind of awesome. Yeah.